Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are hunting for dahlias.
Look at that. Everyone have hydrangeas. These hydrangeas are $29.98. These are pretty. So it looks like it's really too early to get my dahlia bulbs. I see lilies, gladiolas. Oh, these are already growing out. These are like $5. Where's the sale? $14.98. So the bulbs are $10. We have ranunculus. Little octopus looking tentacles. And then you have the gladiolas. These are all $10. You have quite a few healthy bulbs in here. Maybe a crocus. So tiny. Oh look! This is a garlic seed. Aww. Looks like a regular garlic to me. But I'm gonna plant garlic one year. Like I'm gonna get a raised veggie garden and get all the herbs, garlics, onions and stuff. Look at the berries. These are bare roots items over here. These are also $10. Little coners down here. They're in sawdust, so you can't really see the bulbs. Those are Dutch iris as well. Look at onions. These are huge. Little containers. Terracotta pots. Now, one thing you're going to need is support for your dahlias. And I'm looking for dahlia tubers. I don't think they have any. But here you go, a lot of stakes you can use. I like the tomato cage. And the prices on these range from $1 to $9. The tallest one being $9. Shortest one being like $1.68. And then the circle ones that you have to assemble is like $10. And then you got tape. You can tie them like you want to tie your climbing ropes to a tree. You can use those, and twine as well. I am loving these pots. Those are so cute. Look at that. They're so tiny and cute. Cutesy, cutesy. You get some regular black containers, stylish containers. And what the price is. Little wine bars. I like wine bars. I have 2 of them. Oh, those 2 are cute right there. 170.62. Those are tall planters. If I didn't live in Florida with mosquitoes, I would have some plants at my door. But we'll figure that out. And now they have all the blue pots I was looking for. And that blue one is pretty, but it's like $107. I can tell you that it's super heavy. These are all ceramic pots. Some indoor plants are $25. So pretty. And most of the time, these plants, because the containers are so cute, you're paying for the container. If you buy these plants like in a nursery pot, they're cheaper. So these are $110. Beautiful indoor plants. Those over here, the palms are $69.98. These are $40, $39.98. Oh, these leaves are pretty. $69.98. These are medium light houseplants. Like they can take medium light according to the signage. Look at the snake plants, a giant snake plant. Wow. Oh, look at the tiny palms. These are so cute. $14.98. And you think living in Florida, I'll be like, oh, we seen a wild palm, but they're selling them. They're so cute. If you go under any palm tree, you can find these. Not the exact same one, but you find a palm tree because they sell seed. So now we have, these are $39.98. These are pretty. Look at the pretty white. I think the one over here. So pretty. And there's fern. But I'm looking for Dahlia, so let's get out the houseplant section. We're not buying houseplants today or any shade garden plants today. We have a lot of outdoor shade plants, part sun, lots of shrubs. They got some color over there. Let's go take a look on that side. There's not many spring flowers here as yet. These are $30. This is a huge succulent. Look at all these different types. And the smaller ones are $10. These over here are $10 as well. That one is flowering. Of course, you can't forget your lucky bamboos. Orchids. The bamboos are $15. Well, hello there. We got some proven winners here. The traditional white containers. There's a small section here. I'm looking, I don't see any more proven winners. Actually, there's maybe some over there. But right here we have the supertunia lovey-dovey. I might do a yellow theme next year because the yellow supertunias are pretty nice. And those are $5.98. We have more annuals, sun patience. They're pretty. The whole thing is $29.98. You get like 2, 4, 6, 18 in it. Surprised they're not full individuals. You gotta get the whole thing. I think I want to get another tea plant and put the other one that I have in ground. These hydrangeas are $29.98. Pretty, pretty. Begonias are here. Prices. And my colas are starting to arrive. I'm looking for a particular color, so I'm not gonna grab these. I'm gonna wait. There's some more down there. Of course, your dianthus, marigolds. I should get some marigolds for the side garden because those keep mosquitoes away. Here you go, Dusty Miller, only $1.98. I'm not a big Dusty Miller fan. I see a lot of people use Dusty Millers in their garden, but I don't really like the Dusty Miller. Interesting. I wonder what the flowers like. Oh, they got a tiny flower in this one. Well, these are $3.49. I keep seeing these purple flowers. They're $7.99. They're called pictranthus. They're so pretty. I'm gonna eventually get them, but I keep seeing it. I'm like, more flowers. Still not the one I'm looking for. More pretty winners. What's that? These are $5.98. Yellow ripple ivy. I grew up seeing crown of thorns. I've always liked them. So pretty. Which are $9.98. And some more. And these 2 gallon containers are $20, like gardenias, different types of shrubs. There's some more. They're all $16.98. Oh, this is pretty. Hot cactus Pringles. They're pretty. Only $16.98. Jack Frost, only $40. Now these cypress lilies are $14.99. They were $16.99 before, so they went down. It's getting warmer, so time to get them in your garden. More shrubs. So like I said, not that many annuals. We have a lot of shrubs and greenery still in my store, and I still can't find my dahlia. Oh, new plants. This one's nice. Let's see the the first year. It's pretty. And we have the lower petalum ruby. Nice color contrast for the garden. We have some blue point juniper over here. Some more grass. See this here. Bougainvillas. I got them from large for $100 to $50 to $20 to $15. So different sizes. So the kalanchoy or kalanchoy. Sorry, the kalanchoy or kalanchoy. I had the red and the yellow. They got eaten by rabbits, so we're gonna leave them here. So the yellow hibiscus I have, it's actually a sunscape hibiscus. They have more here. They're $19.98. More roses, more dusty millers. Okay, here are the lilies. They're $14.98. Petals are huge. More beautiful kalanchoys. The whole tray itself is $19.98. Got some pansies. Well, since the weather is warm up here already in the 90s, the pansies don't last in my garden. When it gets warm, they like to be in cold weather. They got some large petunia. I think a Grand Flora petunia. Let's go take a look at it. Also, we have the sweet alyssum for $3.98. So we have some sedum for $19.98. Perennial. How cute are the succulent containers? Wow. Those are $19.98. They're cute. Grandiflora petunia. That's what it is. More succulents. Oh, look at those tiny. It's $5.98. Look at tiny little plants. So cute. Red bush is $16.98. This topiary is $36.98. Some more shrubs. I don't think they have my dahlia, guys, so I'm gonna take a look at the last clearance aisle and see. Lots of fruit trees. I think I need some more potting mix actually. Cactus and succulents. So I'm just going to grab some mulch. One thing I did notice, they have a lot of the aisles removed, so I think they're getting ready for some spring flowers to come in, and I'm just early, so I'll be back, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. So I still had the black howl from when I went to the other store, so I got the moisture control potting mix. Never tried that before, so that's my containers I'm going to be doing. And I'm also getting compost. I have sandy soil, so I'm trying to amend my nature soil to my native soil. My native soil. So I'm getting some compost, and this is also going to give it a nice layer of mulched top dress look as well. So we'll see. Thank you for watching. Bye.